Looking for the hidden gem? This is what traveling is all about, right? So what are some hidden gems in Iceland that are off the beaten path? If you're looking to explore Iceland's untouched charm and find the best places for outdoor activities, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 best kept secret places for outdoor activities in Iceland that you shouldn't miss out on. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a new adventure, this national park is one of the most popular places in Iceland for outdoor activities. It is located in southwest Iceland and is home to many incredible sights. Due to its historical significance, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as it is the site of the original Viking settlement and Althing, the oldest existing parliament in the world. The park is known for its stunning natural beauty with soaring mountains, crystal clear lakes, and sweeping valleys. There are plenty of opportunity to get out and explore the park, including hiking, fishing, horseback riding, and camping. For those looking for a unique experience, you can also dive in between the two continental plates at Sofras Fissor. In addition to its spectacular scenery, this national park also offers various educational programs, such as guided tours and interactive exhibits. Whether you're looking for an adventure or just a peaceful escape, you will sure to be pleased in this wonderful park. This national park is one of the largest and most beautiful parks in Iceland. It covers more than 14,000 square kilometers and contains some of the country's most spectacular scenery. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including reindeer, Arctic foxes, and birds. As Europe's largest glacier being the centerpiece of the park, this glacier spans more than 8,100 square kilometers and is covered with deep crevices and icebergs. Visitors can take part in guided glacier hikes, or for the more adventurous can ice climb or ski on the glacier. The park also offers a variety of outdoor activities such as fishing, horseback riding, and camping. Visitors can enjoy stunning views of the glacier from the surrounding mountains or go for a boat ride on a glacier lake. For those who are looking for a more relaxing experience, there are several hot springs in the area that will offer a therapeutic soak. If you're a nature lover or an adventurer, this will be the perfect destination for you. With its stunning landscape and abundance of outdoor activities, this park is sure to be a highlight of your Icelandic holiday. Situated in the north of Iceland, this is one of the most impressive waterfalls in the country. This dramatic waterfall drops in an incredible 100 feet and pours out into a river below. The sheer power of the falling water and the breathtaking scenery makes it an unforgettable sight for any outdoor enthusiast. From the parking lot, you can take a short walk up the waterfall and enjoy the beauty of nature. You can also take a 4x4 jeep tour to reach the top of the waterfall, where you can enjoy the powerful cascade in all its glory. The waterfall is cut by ancient glaciers. Here, you can find some of the oldest rock formations in Iceland, as well as plenty of other interesting geological features, as the glacier pothole or basalt columns. The majestic landscape surrounding it making it the perfect spot for hiking, photography, and camping. It's also a popular destination for kayaking, fishing, and birdwatching. There are plenty of amazing views to be enjoyed here, so don't forget your camera when visiting the hidden gem of Iceland. This iconic destination in Iceland is one of the most popular attractions for visitors. Located in the southwest Iceland, it is the oldest known geyser in the world and has been active since 1294. The hot springs here are a sight to behold and are the main reason why the area is so popular among tourists. It is also a source of many geysers that can be found around the area, and they can often reach up to 30 meters high. This destination itself is not only a spectacle, but its otherworldly surrounding making it an incredibly interesting destination to explore. The area around this destination is blanketed in lush greenery and dotted with steaming pools of water and colorful rocks. This surreal landscape provides great hiking opportunities and gorgeous photo ops. Not far from there, visitors will find a stunning geyser which erupts every 10 minutes or so and can reach up to a height of 30 meters. Watching it erupt will be a truly unique experience and a must-see for anyone visiting the area. So if you're looking for a unique outdoor activity with plenty of photo ops and amazing natural beauty, then this should definitely be on the top of your list when visiting Iceland. As the capital city of Iceland, it is also the ideal place to explore Iceland's outdoor activities. This is a bustling town with plenty of culture, museums, and restaurants to explore. But it also has plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities, including biking and kayaking. The stunning town is surrounded by mountains, which provide plenty of hikes that showcase the city's beauty. If you're looking for a more relaxed activity, there are also plenty of parks in the city for picnics, leisurely walks, or taking in the view. The city also offers a wide range of water-based activities, from kayaking to fishing. You can also explore nearby islands, or hop on a boat and explore the nearby sea caves. No matter what kind of outdoor activities you're looking for, this city has something for everyone. From culture to nature, the city has everything you need for an incredible experience. Iceland is a paradise for outdoor activities and home to some of the most spectacular landscape in the world. With its stunning scenery and variety of activities, it's going to be the perfect destination to make your next outdoor experience unforgettable.